Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all charging method for the headphones Skullcandy Rail. So the first one is to use USB-C cable. Just connect it to USB-C port at the bottom of charging case. You can see a LED light, so it means that it's charging. And also we have a second method, is to use your phone. All you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have a Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect the cable to your phone and the second one to your headphones. We can also see a LED light, so it means that it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!